Welcome back, it's me, look, I'm here. Another episode, short day today, but it's cold, but it's Friday, nobody watches this video on a Friday. I say that, nobody watches a video on a Friday. I do get messages that you do watch it, some people do watch on a Friday. Others just watch it hungover, so post a comment, say hi it's Friday, or hi it's Saturday morning. Let me know when you're watching it, what you're doing. So popcorn chicken strips, and potatoes for tea tonight, just in case anybody was wondering. Saw Hot UK Deals today that they were doing a deal on swan necks at Screwfix, $1.99. Thought I'd pick myself up a set, always useful, nice big swan necks. No, they're tiny little itty bitty ones, $1.99 though. The wife said, why do you still buy it? I said, because I haven't got any of these ones. So I'm going to make use of it, I'm going to try and use them. $1.99, isn't it? You can't go wrong, can you? And there's one more thing that's turned up, and I shall go get it. It's a grill. Yes, you guys are thinking, no, that's not a Mark 1 grill. Well, you'd be right, because this is a jet black grill. Came up on eBay the other day. Wow. I've been waiting 18 months. Had something in my watch list, my search save list. Nothing. 18 months later, pop. Jet black grill. Bit of negotiation because he wanted some hubcaps as well for sale, which I didn't need. Boom, Bob's your uncle. Not a perfect logo, a bit faded, but that's good. Because when I bought the car, the jet black, I restored it. It was a jet black on the logbook and everything, so it's all official. But it only came with the seats, so the grille and everything was missing, hubcaps were missing, nothing, you know, so I had to collect all the jet black parts. Even got jet black steel wheels, if you remember. So anyway, so that's cool. Nice little prezi for the wife. Finish the car off. Yeah, alright, let's crack on with this and try and fill a bit more of a hole. Oh, let's fill that hole in, that one there, right there. Not got long tonight because I've been waffling. Alright, that's good. I just found that's an 11mm socket. I needed a 10mm. Didn't use my swan next, bit of a shame, wasn't it? So that's nearly done. A couple of holes I've got to do, but it's fine for now. So a bit of extra prime on it, obviously, just to my trademark. Just pop this back on just for now. One, it covers up my bad welding. Two, just see what's going on a bit before the end of the night. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. That'll work. Okay, so next time, we've nearly done the inner wing still. Got this hole up here to fill now. Looks like it goes through to the bulkhead a bit, so I think we're going to have to cut that right out, get to the bulkhead, repair that, then put this layer back on. Do a little bit of up here, and then we're nearly done. And what we'll have to do then is move on to the door now, because we need to get the door solid up before we can really do too much more. And double check the position of this. So yeah, so the door's next really. So anyway, happy Friday night. I'm going to have another beer. And hopefully we've got good progress over the weekend. Wife's going out for a few hours with some friends. So as long as the internet doesn't go down, the kids won't annoy me. So fingers crossed. Alright, just a short one again, Friday night, but as I said, you're all down the pub anyway. Have a good evening. Goodbye. Ta-ta. See you soon. Have a good weekend.